So everyone know about this. When you don't have internet connection, you will see a screen like this. So you can play a game here. This is a hidden trick. So you simply have to click here on this dinosaur. Simply double click here like this and press space, and it will automatically, okay, you have to uh, tap on space. You have to tap on space so you can play this game in, okay, in free time while your internet connection will be back. This is amazing. Do let me know what is your highest score. Okay, you can game over, you can play again. Okay, there is a, you can start slower, or you can simply go to start faster. Now this is going to be fast. Okay, you can play in this while in free time.